country. Our investors are better than citizens. Our country. I am proud of it. I'm very honest. And they always say to me, but the habit. I say to my parents, teachers, and others, respect, and everyone, because of the to my country and my people, I pay to my devotion. It's a baby, a property, another time, happiness, day in. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sandeep. I'm studying in LKG class. Today, my topic is Nation Festival. Now, Nation Tree National Festival. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you, have a nice day. Hello everyone, my name is Vishnuvardan and studying in LKG class. Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th every year. Thank you, Namaste. Good morning to everyone. My name is Rayans. I studying in LKG class. Today, we celebrate Republic Day on January 26th every year. Celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd every year. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivansh. I'm studying in UKG. The biggest city in India. And close your eyes. Oh my God. I love you. I thank you. Bless me. Bless my parents. Bless my teachers. Bless our country. Give us our daily food. Help us to study well. And make me a good child.